Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to use an Android phone for seniors. Here are the simple steps to help seniors use an Android phone easily. First, turn on the phone, press and hold the power button until the screen lights up. Unlock the screen. Swipe up or enter a simple PIN. Avoid patterns for easier access. Increase text size. Go to Settings, Display, Font, Font size. Slide to make the text bigger. Increase screen brightness. Swipe down from the top. Move the brightness slider to a comfortable level. Enable magnification. Go to Settings again, System, Accessibility, Magnification shortcut. Turn it on to zoom parts of the screen. Add important contacts to home screen. Open contacts. Select the person. Tap the three dots or scroll down and choose Add to home screen. Place essential apps on the first screen. Move apps like phone, messages, camera, photos, gallery, Google, YouTube to the main screen. Turn on voice assistant. Say hey Google or turn on via settings. Google. Go to all services. Tap search assistant in voice. Go to voice match and toggle on hey Google. You can use the commands, for example, hey Google, call my daughter, send a message, open Facebook, set alarm at 7 a.m. Reduce accidental touches. Go to Settings, System, Accessibility, Timing controls, touch and hold delay, choose medium or long, then hit OK. Turn on emergency features. Go to Settings, Safety and Emergency. Go to Emergency Contacts, then tap Add to add emergency contacts and enable SOS. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.